I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now, I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now, if they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. If they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore, anymore.
Daylight is fading, your journey is ending. They tell me you'll never come again. My heart is heavy from holding so tightly till only a memory remains. Daylight is fading, the leaves have fallen, feeling so cold now inside my mind. Moves with my heartbeat so slowly, retracting to only a memory remains. You must go now. Take hold of all you know now. Cold winds blow in perfect time to bring you back to me. Until then, let me sleep until of the sun is on our side. shadows are moving. The daylight is fading. It takes with it what I want to hold. Will I remember